Hello everyone, my name is Sophia. I'm 7 years old. Today I'm gonna tell about the emperor and the nightingale. So what's actually a nightingale? Let's find out. Once upon a time, there was an emperor. The emperor always wanted to be the best of everything. So, but his palace was made of fine white bricks and golden roof. Yeah, the roof are golden, made of gold. So, there are many flowers and slower tinkling bells. What lovely music! But yeah, well, story was that. But far away, there was a bigger garden, and the nightingale can live in it. But the emperor never knew about the nightingale. But everyone saw her. What was it? Okay, let me see. She sang, cheer, cheer. So the gardener liked her song. Cheer, cheer up. Cheer, cheer up. So yeah, it always makes him smile. One day, the emperor was reading a book, and he saw the nightingale. What's a nightingale? Then he commanded his guards to find his guard to find the nightingale. But the guard said, "What's a nightingale?" And then they found a farmer. Okay? They found a farmer. Going past us. So they saw a farmer, and then they asked, "Can you find a nightingale of us?" Then he said, "Yes, of course, the nightingale." Then he led them far, far away from the palace. But they heard a croak. That's the nightingale. The nightingale wasn't a frog, is it? No, it isn't. That's a frog in a pond. Then they walked some more. Then they saw cows. Moo. That's the nightingale. Why is it a cow? That's not a nightingale. That's just a cow. And then they came to a brown bird. What an ugly bird. Then they commanded her to sing. Cheer, cheer up, cheer up. So the bird come to the palace with them. Maybe. So yeah, next. So the emperor saw it was just an ugly brown bird. But when the bird sang, cheer, cheer up, cheer up. So the emperor was amazed by her song. Also, he let her adjust a cage. Yeah, a cage made of plastic. Well, yeah. It was made of plastic. So, that's good. Yeah. So, it was plastic, but one day, she sang too much. No, I mean, gave her a golden cage. Golden cage. We come. This so the girl golden cage. Cage. This golden cage is not beautiful enough to see. Can you see the letters? Good, if you can see it. So, it will be fun. So, in the story, I can't see any of that. So, next, okay, give her a slower cage. Now, give her a slower cage. Present! Yay! What's this present about? I'm about to see it. Okay. Let me take a pen. Okay. Okay, so it was a bird. But it was just a golden bird that sings. So that's what. Okay, let me get rid of this first. So she sang, it was just like the the brown bird. So she sang every morning and every evening. But one day, when the bird was very, very sad, no one ate her food, and she finally go out the cage that no one knows. And then the one day, instead of saying, what does it do? It calls out, train clocking, googie woogie, and wabadoo. Okay, so here. Coba. Sheepy. Okay, with the whir and purr plonk. Then break, just a break again. One day the bird was very sad, and no one knows how to fix it. Then he was ill, help me, I'm ill. Help me, I'm ill. Help me, I'm ill. But when the nightingale came back, what do you think? What happened? The nightingale started to sing. Cheer up. So the emperor was better. Yeah, well, the emperor was better. Then I don't know what happens next. Oh yeah, so the brown bird said, I will live in the trees. I know that I want trees. Can you make a tree for me? Then the gardener make a tree. He plant water it every day, so it began to grow. The tree. Okay, on the tree. On the tree. Flowers bloom, so the nightingale come back. Then but there are two nightingales. They sing, cheer up, as they sing every day, and everyone came to hear her sing. Cheer up. So there were very, 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 very happy. So maybe we just get to know it. So everyone came to watch her to sing every day, and that's all. And goodbye, everyone. See you next time. Very, very, very.